Welcome back, folks. We are live. I am Chip Monroe, and with me in the booth is the legendary Mo Brockweiler. We got ourselves a game today, tied at 3-3 with 2 outs as number 3 steps to the plate. And the pitch, it's a line drive to the outfield. The runner's rounding third. The throw, oh, he's safe!
Blammo, Chip! That was big time.
I don't think I've ever seen a team so excited to come in third place. It's pandemonium out there, Mo. A third place three-peat. Coach, how does it feel?
What can I say, Chip? Third time is really the charm.
At Mytech Partners, we are proud to be number 3. By the time you've worked with 1 or 2 other IT service providers, you know what works and what doesn't work and what you're really looking for in an MSP. It takes time to find the perfect fit, a strategic partner who anticipates your company's evolving needs and creates an IT roadmap that aligns with your future. Mytech has the expertise and proven collaborative approach you've been looking for all along. Make your third time a charm with Mytech.